Hey guys, Casual Gamer here, and today we're gonna go and do some time warp instances. I think this one is the Halls of Lightning. Very simple. I think this is way back when. I'm just trying to see where did. Oh, there. Okay, a lot of them are rushed on ahead. So this is, I think this is one of the instances way back in Wrath of the Lich King, I believe. And yeah, all the good stuff. I think this is actually one of my one of the ones that I actually don't like the most, just because there's a lot of these is a lot of this has like long walks, right? So, but without further ado, I'm gonna actually go ahead and I'm gonna enable a little bit of sound. So hopefully that will kind of drown out a little bit, drown out the white noise a little bit. We're in here. I think they went upstairs already. Wow, these guys are fast. So yeah, so with time walking being brought back for a week, we have a week to actually earn these badges and actually use them towards loots that are like 660. But then a lot of us are actually geared a little bit higher than that already, so we don't really need it. So I guess you either do one of two things. You either spend a badge for honor, or you spend a badge to or you try to grind it out to actually get those mounts. And I think right now it's there's a horse right now, and as well as I think it was a bird, but I'm not too sure. And they cost like 2,000 badges, kind of, right? So they're a little bit pricey, just because each dungeon, if you're lucky, you would actually get maybe close to 40 badges. Um, just because each of these bosses drop 5, and then the final boss drops 10, I believe. And just overall, you have to grind night and day. This then becomes like a full-time job almost. So I'm not sure if that's worth it, right? Like the mount looks okay, and I believe it looks like the horse you get from if you play Hearthstone actually. So and there you go. So 5 time work badges. Also, like, all right, we have a pretty decent group, so they know exactly what they're doing. Oh, the damage is insane. Even though the damage is scaled down, I think you just added a zero. I think you just added 0. So instead of doing 6,000, these guys are actually doing 60,000 in real life. And I'm doing, I don't even know, 18k right now, just because by the time I caught up, it's super. These guys are super ahead of me. So it's unlikely that I'll catch up. So and I'm rooted. Better me than them. Better me than them. Passing on this. Greeting on that. And right now I'm actually using one of the toys, Millhouse Bannerstorm's toy. So I became one of Millhouse Bannerstorm, one of the Millhouse Bannerstorms. I'm gonna be able to DPS these guys down fast enough, but it seems like their health is actually dropping significantly. So the ads, the ads. Battle. Oh, what the heck? So I guess yeah, I think in the real fight you're supposed to you're definitely supposed to dodge these guys, but okay, it's all good. The time warp badge, good. So yeah, some of these guys, like some of these iron dwarves, sort of looks like the folks you actually find in Aldor. So it's always interesting to see how sometimes I feel like Blizzard actually reuses a lot of the skins, but it's just you're like you know that they're reusing the skins, but at the same time you kind of want to know what are they going to use it for? How is it going to be reskinned? So it's always interesting to see some of the new adaptations of WoW basically. Yes, these guys. These guys do a lot of damage. Oh, and of course our healer keeps dying. Poor guy. Loken is the last boss. Prime designator of Azeroth was tasked to keep Yoxaron secure within the prison. None could have foreseen that a keeper entrusted to safeguard the world from the old gods, Melephis, would be the one responsible for his So I guess he either got tricked into it or, he got tempted and he fell. Of course, we're aggroing as we go. Oh, yeah. And then I think Yoxaron shows up in Aldor. I'm pretty sure he does. Yeah, I think that's the last boss in Aldor. So these the Halls of Lightning and Aldor are basically connected, I believe, or it's like the prelude to that. All that knockback. Finally, yep, this is the boss. It's time to blow all your cooldowns and fun stuff. Get some down ASAP kind of thing. Oh, and my disguise fell off, so fresh. There we go. Just destroyed. So we just finished Halls of Lightning. Got a couple badges, and I think this is it. Although we aggro one of the guys, so he's coming. He's coming to give us our quests. Oops. And there we go. So thanks guys. So this concludes the video on Time Warped Heroic Halls of Lightning. So I'll see you guys next time.